Embarking on a mission in space requires meticulous planning and rigorous preparation. Astronauts undergo extensive training to ensure they are physically and mentally prepared for the challenges they will face beyond Earth's atmosphere. Space, a satellite manufacturer in Southeast Asia, is highly invested in space technology and space trends. In this video, we want our readers to get a view into behind the scenes and preparations for a mission. Astronauts must be in peak physical condition to withstand the physical demands of space travel. They undergo rigorous training programs that include cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and endurance exercises. These routines help them develop strength and stamina to counteract the effects of microgravity on their bodies. To acclimate to the conditions they will experience in space, astronauts spend countless hours in simulators. These sophisticated training tools replicate the environment inside a spacecraft and enable astronauts to practice tasks such as docking procedures, emergency simulations, and spacewalks. Spacewalks are particularly important as they allow astronauts to familiarize themselves with the challenges of working in a vacuum and performing repairs outside the spacecraft. For example, to prepare for NASA's Artemis mission, astronauts undergo specialized training to simulate the unique conditions they will encounter on the lunar surface. This includes practicing moonwalking, working in lunar gravity, and navigating the challenging terrain. The training helps astronauts familiarize themselves with the equipment and techniques needed for conducting scientific experiments and setting up infrastructure on the moon. Each mission has unique objectives, and astronauts receive mission-specific training to ensure they are fully prepared. This includes studying the spacecraft systems, learning to operate specialized equipment, and understanding the scientific experiments they will conduct in space. As space technology continues to advance, astronauts must stay updated on the latest innovations. They receive training in space technology solutions, including the use of small satellites, low Earth orbit (LEO) satellites, and connectivity solutions. This knowledge enables them to effectively utilize satellite-based services, such as satellite internet and satellite communication, both for their own mission requirements and for staying connected with the world below. The journey into space requires meticulous preparation and training to ensure the safety and success of astronauts. From physical fitness to simulator training, mission-specific preparations, astronauts undergo extensive training in various aspects. Their dedication and readiness allow them to embark on missions with confidence and contribute to the continued progress of space exploration and innovation.